Dear colleagues, today, as the CEO of Turkcell, Turkey's leading telecommunication company, and also the leading technology integrator, and also as a GSMA board member, I would like to express my pleasure in being here today with you guys. This year's MWC 25 theme is Converge, Connect, and Create. It's a year where we discuss what comes after 5G and the Internet of Things. Building resilient and cost-effective networks, developing energy-efficient data centers to power AI, and transforming the workforce to become more agile and innovative are in agenda. Today, we have gathered together to talk about how 5G and artificial intelligence technologies will shape our future. Our topic is no longer digital transformation. Our topic is now a smart transformation. In other words, an era of smart transformation shaped by artificial intelligence. Before moving on to the relationship between network and artificial intelligence, I would like to share my views on this unique period when everyone and everything is connected to each other at every moment and at everywhere. It is important to adopt a holistic perspective, holistic connectivity. Contrary to the popular belief that what is important in this age is not individual parts or individual connectivity, but a holistic connectivity. Connecting devices, machines, cities, robots, Internet of Things, cars, think about it, all the things, whatever you call them, the population of these friends, I call them friends, we saw a couple of those before, I call them friends, has exceeded 18 billion, approximately 13% of the growth in last year. A new life is being designed with artificial intelligence. Invisible intelligences establish a new network in all areas of life. By 2028, at least 15% of our daily business decisions, as a CEO, it's going to be a huge number. In 2028, at least 15% of our daily business decisions will be made by artificial intelligence. Maybe 15% is not that much, but today this number is 0%. In 2025, we are not going to decide. They are going to decide. So that's the reason that we need to be careful about how we use this technology. The greatest necessity of this era is strong, reliable, uninterrupted, and low latency communication technology. Without the connectivity, AI is not going to flourish. While the world is at a critical stage in the transition from digital transformation to smart transformation, we must discover together how to make the most effective use of artificial intelligence. And the main topic is network for AI and AI for networks. I think mobile artificial intelligence technologies move our industry forward at a tremendous pace. With AI for network, we will talk about, in the future, near-zero downtime with advanced network optimizations, operational efficiency in large-scale data management, AI-powered proactive solutions for our network security. But whenever we think about the transformation of the digital economy, network for AI or AI-native networks stands out among the most critical factors for a digital economy. Previously, connectivity was just for communication. Today, the connectivity has become a central element of our intelligence, of our lives. AI is not just a support element. It is a technology that creates its own added value. So we talk about network for AI, but we should definitely talk about AI for networks as well. So it is a chicken and egg problem. If you don't have a good AI technology, you cannot make your network better. If you don't have a good network, you cannot make use of AI. So it is going to be a both side, a chicken and egg problem that we have to solve all together. It is safe to say that with the network for AI and AI for network paradigm, the meaning of connection is being redefined. Machines that process information not only respond to users' commands, but also make decisions on behalf of us and their own learning abilities. They're going to start deciding. And then as a network operator, we are always satisfying the needs of the people, human beings. We start to think about how to satisfy the needs of the machines. And it's going to be a big, challenging task for us. What does this mean? Traditional connections are turning into an autonomous structure. Artificial intelligence makes connections not just fast, but smarter. Networks are evolving into self-managing ecosystems. By the way, to better understand the effects of this transformation, I would like to share the approach I discussed in my last IEEE article that I published last month, fitting multiple machine learning models with performance-based clustering. This method offers a new technological enhancement for dynamically optimizing multiple machine learning models on a streaming data. We need to start thinking about the voice. We need to think about the streaming of data, internet, how they are going to evolve with this intelligence, with the AI. Dear guests, traditional mobile operators have worked to connect people. However, the definition of customers has now changed. Who's the new customers? Artificial intelligence systems. Who we now provide an infrastructure that provides connections not only to the people, but also to the artificial intelligence systems. In the AI native environment, new layers of human and object interactions are unlocked. Machines and AI systems are emerging as our new customers. Connectivity is no longer just between people, but between intelligences. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. And working together is success. That words are coming from the Henry Ford, the famous guy. But he meant only people at that time, because he wasn't thinking about the machines. But we need to rephrase this sentence. Coming together is the beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. So working together with human as well as the machine is going to be the success in the future. But in the age of togetherness, a new wave of life is emerging, where humans and machines coexist together. Even if it is there in our pictures right now. Instead of all the humans, we have robots are in our pictures. In this new form of relationship established between humans and computers, we need to be careful about how pioneering this transformation, we are obliged to build technology that puts the people at the center. Always putting the people at the center, not the robots or the machines. At this point, I would like to state that at Turkcell, as the biggest mobile operator in this region, in the MENA region, we are working on the GSMA's Responsible Artificial Intelligence Maturity Roadmap. As Turkcell, we actively use artificial intelligence to support our applications and develop many technologies. For example, JEDI integrates artificial intelligence into Turkcell's fiber businesses to figure out the best location to invest. Another solution that makes our investments more effective is RoomX. In the RoomX, this system is finding the best suitable locations by analyzing nearly more than 1,000 parameters to figure out the best way and then the best location to invest. So we plan our investments in line with customer expectations as well as position them in the most efficient ways. Kyra is our artificial intelligence-based mobile network forecasting tool. It predicts customer complaints and adds the maintenance records as well, and to figure out the best ways to maintain our network with a very low downtime. As Turkcell, we continue to develop our artificial intelligence-based solutions to reinforce our technology leadership and to make our network smarter and better. In conclusion, the reason for the existence of a technology is to put the human first. Whatever we do, we need to think about it always the human first. We pursue the meaning as much as we do the innovative technologies themselves. Let's not forget, those who built the future, not only the producers of the technology, but those who add meaning to those technology. And the decision we make today will determine how history will remember us in the future. Thank you very much for listening.